for the first stage of the photosynthesis of plants, cause like it's a light-dependent reaction of photosynthesis.
What? First the plant absorbs the sunlight, and then the energy strikes the chlorophyll. Then in a series of reactions, the energy is converted into ATP and NADPH.
Ooh, 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 the sun came out again today, and ooh, ooh, ooh,
This time, I'm telling you, plants are growing, growing, growing. Through photosynthesis, plants are growing, growing, growing. Through photosynthesis, the sunlight gives the energy to the plants who make the food. So plants are growing, growing, growing. Through photosynthesis.
like always. In the second stage of photosynthesis, the reactants are the new formed chemicals of ATP and NADPH, which work with carbon dioxide to help form carbs.
Ooh, 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 ooh. The second stage does not need light.
Ooh, 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 ooh. And this time, I'm telling you, systems, a range of chlorophyll and other pigments, packed into thylakoids. The pigments provide the sunlight, giving color to all the leaves. Pigments are useful by plants and other autotrophs. Ooh, 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 ooh. Photosynthesis.
I used to wonder how leaves change their color, so I looked for answers from my biology teachers. So I went up and was all, Miss, how do the leaves even change color? And Miss Henriques was all, it's the chlorophyll in the chloroplast. They absorb different amounts of sunlight in the different seasons.
Oh! Their waste product is oxygen.
And our waste is carbon dioxide.
We need plants and they need us, so the process carries on. Plants are growing through photosynthesis. Ooh, 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 ooh. Photosynthesis. 6 water, 6 CO2 react to form glucose and oxygen. So plants are growing through photosynthesis.
Go! Oh, we got the dolphins.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, receive.
It's the chlorophyll and the chloroplast. They different.
Now I'm gonna kill you guys.